Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to set up a Django project. If you don't know how to create a Django project, then we have uploaded a video on our channel how to create a Django project. You can check it out. So to set up a Django project, first of all we will open a VS Code. We will open a project here. Open folder, desktop, Django projects. This is our project which we have created in last video. Select. As you can see, these all are dependencies file. So in our project, first of all, we will create a new app, new Django app. To create a Django app, we will run a command python manage.py start app home. As you can see, the home app is created here. After creating home app, we will copy url.py file copy in our home app text. Then we came here in setting and install app. We will add here our app. Home. Then after we will add directory in template. Add a directory in template. Click on a comma os.path templates. Oh, sorry, we have forgot to create a template folder here first. We will create a template folder. New folder. Template. Then we will add here import here OS. Then we will create here new folder to handle our static file. And we will add it here in settings. Static URL static. Paste dir comma static. Then we will add URL here for our media files. Media files are those files like images and videos which we are going to display on our website. To add a media URL, first of all we have to add media root os.path.join. Paste here. Oh, first of all we have to create a folder. We will create new folder called public. In it, we will create another folder called static, and we will add it here in media root. First is public, and one is static. So all our videos and images are going to be in public, and in public is static. That's why we have mentioned path like this here. Media, URL, of this we will create HTML file, new file, home.html, and a static file. We will create a CSS file and JavaScript file to just show you guys how file style.css. As you can see, CSS file is created here. A new file, home.js. As you can see, JavaScript file is also created here. In home, we'll type our HTML code. Title of our project will be, title of HTML page will be home. Then we will load a static file here to configure CSS and JavaScript to our HTML file. Load. First, we will link a CSS. Load. Relation style sheet. Type text slash CSS. So our CSS file is style.css. Also, we link a JavaScript file. We have to add a script tag. We will add the source of our JavaScript file. So our JavaScript file is home.js. That's how you can link a JavaScript and CSS file to HTML file. We add head tag. Now in body, it's my first web. We will end body. We will add HTML. So this is our example HTML file. So Then we will go in our app. In views, we'll create a view. App, and it will return our HTML page, which is home.html. So our view is ready. So now we will go in URL. In URL, we will edit it. We will start the name of our view. Hello. We will start hello. From home import with and give it a name. We will add a URL of home in my first web URL. We'll copy it as it is. We will remove this path, and if we will add it here as how. Include then we will run a Django server. No attribute hello. It's just spelling mistake here. Server error. So what's happening? Yeah, You can see it's my first web. It's printed here.